Hello guys, you all are welcome back to this project series. In this series, I'm going to build a simple program to check if a year is a leap year or not a leap year, following these conditions. And we have three conditions to check if a year is a leap year or not a leap year. The first condition says if the year divided by 4 is equal to a whole number, then the year is a leap year. If a year divided by 100 is not equal to a whole number, then it's a leap year. If a year divided by 400 is equal to a whole number, then it's a leap year. So I'm going to use my condition statement in Python to check if all these conditions are true. Then if it's true, then the year is a leap year. I'm going to define a function. I'm going to call it, how am I going to call it? Check. Let me use check. And then it's going to have a parameter called year. And then I'm going to use the condition statement now. So I'm going to say if year modulus 4 is equal to 0, then it's a leap year. So what this modulus does for us is check if it returns a fraction to us or if it returns a whole number to us. So if you don't really know what this modulus does, I have a video called Python operator. You can go and check it out where I explain all the Python operators there. So try and watch it before this. What this modulus does for us is it checks if it is a fraction or if it is a whole number. So if it's equal to 0, then it's a whole number. If it's not equal to 0, then it's a fraction, something like that. So it's a fraction, not even something like that. So if it satisfies that condition, then it's a leap year, but you have to satisfy the remaining two conditions. So I'm going to put pass there. Then I'm going to check the second condition. Else, I'm going to print. If it did not satisfy the condition, that means it's not even a leap year at all. It should not even be considered. So I'm going to print not leap year, not leap year. Then here I'm going to check the second condition, which says if it is divided by 100, if the year divided by 100 is equal to a whole number. I'm going to say if year modulus 100 is equal to 0, then it's not a leap year, but it still has to satisfy one condition. So I'm going to use pass there, but else here I'm going to say print it is a leap year, or let's say leap year. It is a leap year. This is a leap year or something like that. Or just leap year or something. Then here I'm going to check the final condition, which says if the year divided by 400 is equal to a whole number, that is when we divide it. When we find a modulus and it's equal to 0, then it's a leap year. So I'm going to still use the nested if year modulus 400 is equal to 0. It's equal to 0, sorry. Then I'm going to say something like print it is a leap year. A leap year. So something like this. Let's say if you divided by this is equal to this, a leap year. If it's not a leap year, something like that. So now let me go again. If this divided by 4 is equal to 0, it has to satisfy this condition. But if it is not equal to 0, then it's not a leap year. If this divided by 100 is equal to 0, it has to satisfy these conditions too. But if it is not equal to 0, then it is a leap year. Then if this year divided by 400 is equal to 0, then it is what? A leap year. And it has no other condition to satisfy. So now we're going to check if it's really working or not. I'm going to call the function now, check. And in this check, I'm going to accept the input, pass an input, something like integer input, so that the user can put in input there. Input, enter a year, then if the user enters a year, then it's going to check if it's a leap year or not. So let's save it and run Python leap.py. Then enter a year, I say 1000, then it said it is a leap year. And if I run the program again, let's say 2001, not a leap year, 2004, it is a leap year. So you can see that this program is really doing as expected. So I believe you learned a lot from this program. You can see go and look at for years that it's a leap year or not leap year, or use this program to test those years. I believe you learned a lot from this project. Remember to subscribe to my channel.